Assalamualaikum. So today I want to show you guys a makeup tutorial of this look. So this is kindly a soft glitter glam but so wearable. So if you want to know how to do this look, so let's check it out. Okay, I have done my brow, so we jump terus to eyeshadow. So I use this Wet n Wild Dampen eyeshadow palette in comfort zone. Then I use the transition shade on my crease like so. Then I use this dark transition shade and put on my lid. Not very high to the first color, but only on the lid, like so. Okay, so I take this single glitter shadow from also Wet n Wild in bronze. So I put in the middle of the lid. I use finger to put this glitter because it cannot be taken by the brush, so it needs finger. So I do the eyeliner with the black eyeshadow. Okay, done for the eyes, so we move to the face. I already primed my face with the ordinary silicone primer and continue with the Maybelline Superstay foundation in code 110 Ivory, and put all over my face with the finger first and blend it with brush. Okay, so next concealer. I wanna conceal my dark scars, my dark under eyes to look perfect. This concealer is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in code 10 light. Then blend it with the brush. Okay, done for the base. We need to set in it with powder. I use Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in coat 10, like all over my face. Okay, so next we move to the blusher. I use Wet n Wild Color Icon blusher in coat Nudie Society. Okay, next time for highlight. I highlight my face on the top of my cheekbones, at the point of nose, under the eyebrow, at the chin and nose bridge, and on the lips. What we call that Cupid's bow. Yeah. So done. We move to the last step, which is lipstick. I use Colourpop Luxe lipstick in Quickie. Yes. Okay. So I think this is the final look. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment below. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.